Hi everyone. So now I would like to show you our AuraLMS platform's interviewer system. So as we can see, we can have a professional interview experience on this platform using for any kind of job roles and for any kind of years of experience based on the JD that is given. So now we would like to add a new job role. We would like to create a new interview experience based on this. So the job role that we are planning for is full stack developer. The job description would be React, Node.js, and MySQL. And for the years of experience, we would like to get go along with 0 years. So let's start the interview now. Our AI has generated a professionally managed interview where I can interact with the camera system and with my voice. So the AI can give us the review. So let's start the interview. So as we can see, the first question would be you have no professional experience, but your resume lists React and Node.js. Describe a personal project. So my personal project would be to a citizen starter platform where I help the Department of Posts of India help bridge the communication gap between the DOP officials and the citizens. That's it for the first question. Now let's move on to the next question. The AI has stored our answer. So the second question would be explain the difference between front end and back end in the web application and how React.js, Node.js fits in that. So what is front end? The front end is the part of the application which we can see on the client side, and the back end is the logic that is being handled uh, in the behind the scenes of the client. How React and Node.js fits together in this is React handles the front end part and Node.js handles the back end part. So that's it for our second question. Let's move on to the next question. Now let's answer these fast. RESTful APIs take in an input and give a processed output based on the logic. Moving on to the next question. How do you handle both errors in front end and back end? So we use tests or debugging methods. And for the last question, some strategies for scalability and performance. Um, I would like to say uh, to produce modular code and use basic structures instead of complex structures. So now we can end the interview and the user answers have been recorded successfully. So as we can see, here is our interview feedback. So I performed negatively in the last three questions, and the AI is giving the entire review of what we are doing in the system. So that's it for our interviewer system. All this data is stored on the home in our database. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. Now I would like to show our interactive coding platform that would help the user to learn the programming language easily while also not being overwhelmed with typing all the content that is present in the programming language. So, for example, let's take a C++ program to write a simple hello world program. So as we can see, the user has one question and he has four options to choose from. For example, the first line of C++ program would be hash include iostream. So now we can see that the option was correct and the code is included. It is included in the code. Now, for example, if I choose the wrong answer, so if I choose namespace standard, it will give me the explanation and it will tell me to try again. So just like that, we can complete the entire code. For example, now we will do using namespace standard. The user gets time to think about their next steps. Now we do int main, and following the basic structure of the C++ program, we will write cout hello world, and finally we will end the program with return 0. Yeah, and we can see the output of the code as well. We can also change the languages so that the user can uh, improve their skills in the desired language that they want. For example, now we are doing Java, and I got this answer wrong. So, like just like that, we can also explore all the programming languages and many other programs that would be added to the platform soon. Now, I would like to show our main platform, that is the assignments, the file uploading agents, the notes agents, and the quiz agents as well. So we can see here that the teachers have uploaded two assignments. Let's view an assignment. So now we can see the quiz that is being presented. We have created a basic quiz. What does AI stand for? We can see artificial intelligence and what is not a type of AI. So our result is 1 out of 2, since we got one question right and one question wrong, and we can also restart the quiz as per needed. This is for the assignments. As for the upload file agent, what it does is that it takes a PDF inside, it processes the PDF, and it creates notes based on the PDF. So now that we have processed the PDF using our AI, we can see here that the notes are being updated in the JSON format, and it will also be showed to the users and the students and the teachers whenever the teachers are uploading. As for the university management system, so the university admins can manage the users, where they can add or remove the teachers or the students that are present. As for the assignments, the assignment scores are tracked with the student IDs, and quiz results are tracked as well. And also the messaging system between the student and teacher would allow for a good interactive experience between the teacher and the student, where the teachers could help the students learn better. And we have also included a dark mode for this application. Thank you.